This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to the Willow Glen 2-minute drill where we cover all things real estate in 2 minutes or less. We're super high tech here. We have our iPhone with 2-minute timer. We're starting 3, 2, 1, getting it. So in the Willow Glen sector, we're going to look at the inventory levels as well as list price to sales price ratio and average days on market. If you've been watching these 2-minute drills for any period of time, you'll know that January, February, we had more sales than inventory. And that means that is usually a recipe for an appreciating market. Now in December, we're experiencing a little bit of a different scenario here where we actually have more homes for sale than homes sold. And so both in the single family sector as well as the condo and the townhome sector, which means that for the next couple of months, we might expect to see a little bit more of a neutral, stable-ish market. I mean, nothing too crazy, but from a pure competition standpoint, the Willow Glen market seems to have slowed down just a little bit. And we'll see how all of this coronavirus, the stock market, everything impacts Willow Glen in the immediate future and in the long-term future as well. But when we look at the single-family sector and we look at average days on market, sales price to list price, we'll see that the sales price to list price is appreciating. It was 99 in January, now it's at 103 in February, which means that the concept or the idea of underpricing your home slightly to drive the market up is working in Willow Glen for the single family sector. Average days on market is 21 days. Now when you look at the condo and townhome sector, it's a whopping 112 days average on market, which is more a causation of the fact that there's really not that many homes on the market right now in Willow Glen. So because of the low data, or because of the low amount of data that there is to pull from, that's kind of skewing the data, if that makes sense. So the low numbers are skewing the data, but 95 average sales price to list price, meaning if you want a number and you're a condo or a townhome owner in Willow Glen, there we are, price it where you want it to end up. That's all the time we have, everyone. This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group with another Willow Glen 2-minute drill, and we'll catch all of you in the next video.